I'm so happy today because today I'm reviewing the single family housing guaranteed loan program. Yes, you heard it right. Guaranteed loan program means 100% financing from USDA, and if you're eligible for it, this is a dream come true. Look at this. Application window is open and this is huge. Keep this in mind. I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide, means what about the income eligibility, and I'll show you state, means how you can pick a state, your county, how you can put your income in it, and of course how you can become eligible if you are eligible. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, but look at this. Single family housing guaranteed loan program. Yes, you heard it right. USDA is calling it guaranteed loan program. So if you would like to know about it, if you would like to know the step-by-step guide, this is the video that you need to watch till the end. Please don't miss a single second because this is huge. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of personal loan with no credit check, and you can get that loan even if you have bad or worse credit. So in order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video as it helps this video and the channel as well. So let's start. Single family housing guaranteed loan program. Let me just zoom in so you can see it properly. You can see that program application period. Applications are accepted for processing from approved lenders on ongoing basis from October 1st till September the 30th. So keep this in mind. Well, good to know. To begin, contact an approved lender, and you can see the contact tab below. Well, I'll show you right here, to review the requirements for the completing an application. This is huge. And remember, whenever I read single family housing guaranteed loan program, it actually gives me the goosebumps because we still have something for low and middle income people so they can actually own a house even in this affordability crisis. This is huge. Well, what I want to show you right here with the step-by-step guide, and this is important, and I'm talking about the income eligibility. So look at this. Let me just click right here. Who may apply for this program? Applicant must meet income eligibility. Let me just click on it and I'll show you that what you need to do. As soon as you click on it, this page will open. Let me just zoom in. So right here, they say single family housing income eligibility, property location. So let me just, because I'm in Texas, so let me just pick Texas right here. As soon as you pick Texas, of course, it will take you to the next screen. And then they'll ask you for your county. So though I'm not gonna reveal which county I live in, but let me just pick the county that my friends live in. That is Harris County right here. So I picked Harris County. This is the next step. As soon as you pick Harris County, it will take you to this page, right? Let me just zoom out so you can see it properly. Can you see it right here? Let me just zoom in so you can see the cursor right here. So by the way, if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button and please keep watching because this is very important. So as you can see, property location, Texas. The county is Harris County, metropolitan area. It's Houston, the Woodlands, Sugar Land, Texas HUD, Metro FMR area. So number of people in the household. I'm gonna put 4. So let's put 4. Number of residents under the age of 18. So if you have a family or a young couple, so 2 kids, 2 adults. So let me put number of residents. I'm gonna put 2 right here. Actually, it's already there. I don't know why, but okay, let's move on. Is loan applicant, co-applicant age 62 or older? Depends on your situation. If you're 62 or older, pick yes. If not, then of course pick no. In my situation is no. Are there any disabled person living in the house? Though I would love to work for the disabled people. That's why I have the credit viral show where I actually review the senior benefits and disability benefits. So make sure you subscribe to the credit viral channel as well if you haven't. Well, are there any disabled person living in the household right now in my house? No, though my mom is one of them, but of course right now in my house she's not living, so I'm gonna put no right here, and then I'm gonna click next. As soon as I click on next, it will take me to this page right here. So annual childcare expense. So mine is 9,600 a year. Like, this is what I figured. So I'm gonna put it right here. The reason that you'll see that already the tabs right here whenever I click on it, because I actually used it and I put some random numbers and you can see it's working. So right here it says base employment income, overtime income, bonus income, commission income, self-employment income. I am self-employed, so of course I have to put the income, which actually comes to the middle or low income category. So I'm gonna actually write it something right here. And by the way, this is gross monthly income. So what I'm gonna write 4 members. Let's write like 48,000, because this is the average income, I believe, for a family of for a family of 4 in US right now, as far as I read an article. So net rental income, if you have any. So please keep this in mind. You need to do your own research. You need to read it and see that what else income you have. By the way, all other income received by adult members of the household, depends. So right here I wrote 9,600 for annual childcare expense, self-employment income 48,000. Why I wrote 48,000? Oh, sorry, it shouldn't be 48,000. So it should be 3,600. My bad, because it's monthly, it's not yearly. So I put 3,600, and right here I put 9,600 in yearly expenses. So the state is Texas, county is Harris County, metropolitan area, and I'm gonna click on finish now, but I just need to see a couple of things that I'm not missing anything right here. Yeah, I think I pretty much covered everything, right? So let's click on finish. Are you ready for it? So let's click on it. 3, 2, 1. Let's click. What's gonna happen? Let's see. Okay, that's what I wanted, by the way. So applicant meets the income limits for the Section 502 Guaranteed Rural Housing Program. Based on the income entered the program, income guidelines effective as 04/22/2026. That is on April 20, January, February, March, April. So it's April 22nd, 2026. Of course, click here for further details in the Guaranteed Loan Program. I'm also going to paste a link in the video description, so please keep this in mind. You can also see it right here. Here's a summary of adjusted annual household income. So I put so right here is adjusted income is 43,200, because if you remember I put 9,600 as the expenses right here. Total deduction is 10,560. Household adjusted gross income is 32,640. Section 502 Guaranteed Rural Housing Program, maximum adjusted housing income for selected state or county is 119,000. is huge. So even if you make like probably more than $100,000, I think you are going to be eligible for it. Section 502 Direct Rural Housing Loan Program, 80,000, well, 900. So still, if you are middle income or a little higher income people, I think you're eligible for it. This is huge. So what's gonna happen right here? It means that you're eligible, and then you can apply for the program with open mind. Well, thank you so much if you watched it, and this is huge, by the way. And I was so excited to show you, because I came across this and I thought that, okay, this is something that all of my subscribers need. And if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.